Everyone, Double P here. So today's trading session, I attacked Tesla, and you can see right here. Let me show you. My position is in Tesla, and it took 50 contracts right here. So as you can see it, Tesla hit a high of $7.85. And I got out at 7:40, but I got caught and I got out around 7. The exit was around 7:30 right there. And you can see Tesla's just dropping like a rock. And took 50 contracts. Very, very, very heavy duty trade. So let's go over here. And you see I sent out to the members today. Today's date, July the 2nd. We'll just scroll down here so that you can see, because there's always proof. There we go. 405 strike put, $1.40. I got out at $7.20. So that was roughly, it was like a 600% gain. And you're probably wondering, well, how did you find it? Well, I didn't find it. The PPOT-Analytics AI Engine found it. And you can see it right here. And let me just go over this again so that you can look at it. So this is the gamma squeeze. So let me type in Tesla here. And then we'll scroll down to the 405 because that's what popped up. And that's exactly the reason why I took it. So you can see here, negative gamma squeeze, 405, 18 cluster prints, 0 DTE, $14.6 million notional value. Let me come over here, July 2nd, so that you see it. Notional value, 30.45 million. This was a monster trade on Tesla. So that's why I took it, because the PPOT-Analytics AI Engine showed it to me. And that's the scanner tab. We'll come over here to the prints feed tab. And this is where I live, on the prints feed, tab, and the scanner tab, and the live console, which I'll show you in a second. So we can come over here, Tesla, and then you'll see all the alerts there. So we'll go to 405, which should populate, which is right there, 405. Heavy, heavy, heavy size contract, 28.19, 0 DTE. Critical gamma squeeze to the downside, bearish. So you see it right there. That's on the PPOT-Analytics AI Engine. And I'll come over here to the live console. And I can do either the flow tab or the options tab. The options tab and the flow tab, they are always updating every microsecond. So right now it's got to update again. So just give me a second here. Let me go over to the options tab. Let me type in Tesla. And then we have the puts. So let me go 405, which should pop up because it was just a monster trade. Let me just do the put sides. But you can see where it was. I found it in the prints feed and on the scanner tab. Trying to see why it's not showing up here, but again, on the flow tab and the options tab, this sweeps out constantly every second. So there we go here. Just want to see what comes up on the flow tab, because it was, yeah, so it's sweeping literally every second, and it's cleaning it out. So that's it. That's how I found it. The PPOT-Analytics AI engine, the prices are going up because this engine, the more people that get, the more members that actually get into it, the more compute power it takes, and that's fine. I have no issue with that. But that's why the prices are going up if they already didn't go up. So we got there, once again, 0 DTE, 405, very heavy negative gamma on this one here. And there's another one that's pointed up, but we'll leave it at that. So that's the power of the PPOT-Analytics AI engine. This thing is, you really got to get your hands on this. Look at Tesla just move. 396, 396.36. And that's the level that I should have stayed in at because I had marked it off right here, as you can see. I went right through it, but I cannot complain. 50 contracts at $1.40, getting out at 7:30. That's a big monster move. So that's it from Double P. If you want to get access to the PPOT-Analytics AI engine, you definitely should get access to it. The price has already gone up accordingly, so because this thing just absolutely prints money. But at the same time, my earnings disclaimer is I don't know how you trade. I don't know what skill level you have. So you could do everything right, and you know your outcome is on you, not on me. But that being said, the PPOT-Analytics AI engine is an institutional grade, enterprise level solution software for the best, finding the biggest and the best order flow for institutions, hedge funds, family offices, high frequency traders, prop desk, and it sniffs it out and finds it and shows it to you. You just got a place to trade. So that being said, my name is Double P.